Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on forgetting saved Wi-Fi networks on Windows 11. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. From the Windows 11 desktop, go to the search bar at the bottom, search for Settings and then open them. In Settings, select Network and Internet from the left sidebar. In Network Settings, select Wi-Fi. In Wi-Fi Settings, select Manage Known Networks. This will show you a list of your saved networks. Find the one you want to delete and click Forget. That network will then be removed from your list of known networks. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Windows 11 tips and tricks.